Okay guys, now let's go for a big bite. Take some ample amount of rice and then add the sherwa and then add little bit of raita and then mix it well. Now take a piece of mutton. Let's go for a big bite right now. One last question, an important one. Who is Mallika?
Mallika ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Vincy Vibes, and I'm your host Vincent. So today, being a Sunday morning, again we are going to do another biryani vlog, and it is not just a normal biryani. It's a Nati style biryani, which is one of the famous places in and around Bangalore. So this place is called Mallika Biryani. Yep. So it's just 8 kilometers from my place. Right now the time is 7:10 a.m. So I think I'll reach there by 7:30. And this restaurant, right, it opens at 7:30 a.m. on the Sundays. So I had been to this place couple of times and I loved the biryani. This is somewhere similar to this Hoskote Dum Biryani, that is Anand Dum Biryani and Mani Dum Biryani. I have already made videos of those biryanis. I'll make sure I put those links in the description as well. So after watching this complete video, please make sure you watch those videos as well. So I'm going with 3 of my close friends. I'm gonna meet them at some pickup point location. So guys, these are my school friends. His name is Joseph. Hi. His name is Benjamin. I think you would have seen him in the Anand Dum Biryani vlog. And his name is Jagan. Okay guys, let's go. And towards the end of the video, I'll give couple of tips that you have to keep in mind before coming to this place. So make sure you watch the complete video. And this video is gonna be informative as well. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button. And also please follow my Instagram page, that is Vincy Vibes, because I'll be posting stories on my upcoming vlogs. We are about to reach our destination. Okay, some off-roading here. Okay, people have already started coming in. You can also park outside, but there's ample amount of space here. This is basically for car parking, but yeah, you can also park your bikes. Wow, I can already smell the aroma from here. You can see the smokes over there. I think it's from the biryani. We are towards the entrance. If you see, it's open space and it's courtyard, open courtyard kind of a place here. So there is a lassi shop where you get the milkshake and other juices, and then you have a bida shop here. And then here you're gonna have the gulab jamun and ice cream place. It's gonna open in some time. So let's go inside. You can see already the crowd is pouring in. So that is the counter place where they give the tokens, and here you have to collect the biryani. This is the menu here. We have mutton biryani, chicken biryani, mutton fry, chicken fry, liver boti, pepper fry and head meat fry. My all-time favorite is mutton biryani. We got the permission from the owner Venkatesh. So right now we are going inside the kitchen and see how the biryani is made, right? So if this is the place where they serve biryani, that is Mr. Venkatesh who is preparing the biryani there. The gravy alla sir? Mutton. Mutton gravy. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? So guys, they use wood here for the cooking. So when you add wood, right, when you don't use the normal stove and cook, it's gonna give a different kind of a taste. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನು ಇದೇನು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಬೋಟಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾವ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೋಟಿ ಫ್ರೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದು ಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ liver fry. Okay, that is liver fry. Liver is gonna be very tasty. So you can see the crowd over there, it's already filled up. I'm really hungry, but I want to do the initial set of vlog. We have Mr. Venkatesh here, who is the owner of this Mallika Biryani. So let's ask him a couple of questions to understand about this place. So yeah, let's go. Sir, ಈ ಲೆಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಂತ್ರ ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಗ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸರ್?
2016.
2016. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಈ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೀಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಮಂಡೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಜೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿನವೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಂಗಳವಾರದಿಂದ ಶನಿವಾರದವರೆಗೂ 12 to 4. ಸಂಡೇ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 7:30 to 4.
ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದೌದು, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿನೇ ಫೇಮಸ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಟನ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಬೋಟಿ ಫ್ರೈ, ಲಿವರ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. JP ನಗರ, ಜಯನಗರ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರ, ನಾಗರಬಾವಿ, ತುಂಬ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನಕಪುರ ರೋಡ್ನಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ತಿಂದವರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ವರ್ತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇನ್ ಇದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ?
ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಇಡೋಣ ಅಂತಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಹೆಸರಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾರ್ತಲ್ಲೂ, ಸೌತಲ್ಲೂ, ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು, ಆಂಧ್ರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಹೆಸರು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮೂರು ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲಿವರ್ ಫ್ರೈ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮಟನ್ ಫ್ರೈ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1050. We have ordered mutton biryani and then we have ordered mutton fry and liver fry. So I'm really getting tempted, and if you see the quantity of the rice, right, they have given good quantity of rice, and even the pieces as well. There are so many pieces here. I think this is a bit costly when compared to the Hoskote biryani, which is Mani's Dum biryani and Anandam biryani. I think that is because they give good amount of pieces here, and the quantity of rice also is pretty good. Alright, so before it's cold, let's dig in. If you see the rice, right, I think they have used the bullet rice and jeera rice. It's a mixture of both the rices. And so when you take the biryani, right, you don't see that much of oil content in your hand. So it means that they have used a very minimal quantity of oil, which is really good. And the meat, right, look at this. It's breaking so easily. Let's try the biryani out. Okay. So initially without the piece, initially you have to have only the rice to get to see how the flavor is, right? And later we can go for the mutton piece. Now only the rice. This biryani is not too spicy, it's very mild, and I'm sure people who like the mild kind of biryani and not too spicy, they're gonna love this biryani for sure. Now let's try the mutton piece. It's very soft and tender. Okay, this is the liver fry. Let's try it. If you can see here, right, the masala has gone completely in. And now let's try the mutton fry. Right, I can see too much of oil here. It's very good. I mean, mutton fry is a bit spicy. But yeah, definitely you're gonna love it, yeah. Okay guys, now let's go for a big bite. Take some ample amount of rice and then add the sherwa. And then add little bit of raita. And then mix it well. Now take a piece of mutton, add it, mix it well. Let's go for a big bite right now. You're just getting all the flavor in your mouth. And when you get a bone, right, you have to never miss the marrow from it. Wow. I'm not getting the marrow out of these two bones because the marrow is hard right now inside. I mean, you gotta get the marrow out from the bone only when it's hot. Right now the bones are cold, so I'm unable to get the marrow. I'm struggling on it, but I'm sure that I'm gonna definitely get the marrow out. Jagan, how's the biryani?
Yeah, it's very tasty, and I'll come again to have this.
Yeah, we are definitely gonna come again.
Yeah, it's very tasty, and I would like to come again. Next time I'll plan something and I'll come here. Thank you.
Yeah, biryani is too yummy, and even the pieces are tender and it's good.
So guys, we are almost done with the video, and before ending the video, I want to give few tips if you're planning to visit this place. First point is this place is open from Tuesday to Saturday from 12 p.m. afternoon to 4 p.m. Evening, and on Sundays it's open from 7 a.m. morning to 4 p.m. In the evening. But on Mondays it's on off, so please plan accordingly. You can try mutton biryani, that is really amazing, and probably side dish you can try chicken kebab or liver fry. I like the liver fry a lot because it has a lot of spices in it, and it also had too much of pepper in it, which is really good. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting status on my upcoming vlogs. So I'll leave all those links in the description. And as always, it's Vinci signing off. Subscribe to Vinci Vibes. Peace out. Boom. Fearless.